I'm Stacy.
And I'm Nicole.
And today we're going to be taking a pre-test on where we think all the organs are. And we don't know, we haven't learned this yet, and it's just a pre-test, so we don't know how to pronounce it, where they are, what size they are, what they do. So we're just going to give our best guesses.
Yeah. And we spelled them all right, we just don't know where they go.
And we don't know what they do either.
So if we get them wrong,
we're just going to try our best.
yeah.
So let's start from the top. And so this is the brain.
We know the brain is
And we think that the brain is on the top of the head, which is kind of obvious.
and we think it
it generates your movements
and
your,
it tells you where to go.
and
So,
it controls your
it tells you
thoughts,
what you're
to
going to
move
say and jump and stuff.
And then this is the esophagus, and this is the eyes, and we think that the eyes, we know that the eye, we can see with our eyes.
The eyes help you see.
And where we're going, it helps us walk too. And this is the esophagus, and we think it's about like this long maybe, and we think it like holds the air, and then it spreads it out with the lungs,
And then it brings it down and gives air to all the other organs.
Yeah, and we think the lungs do similar things.
And with the lungs, one lung, it gets the air, and the other lung.
And we think the lungs bring the air out kind of to the other to your body. That's how you breathe.
And then the heart.
This is the heart. It
Pumps the blood.
pumps the blood, and it helps you, it helps you breathe pretty much, because when your heart stops, you die. So,
Yeah.
And then this is, we don't really know how to pronounce this. Maybe a pancreas or something. And we don't really know what it does either, but we're just gonna give it our best guess. Maybe we think that it helps you control, it helps you kind of maybe breathe, or maybe it helps you move or something. And we're not very positive. We're not 100% sure. We're not positive, but we just gave that our best guess.
This is the spleen.
And
we think that maybe the spleen has air. And,
traps the air.
And
And we don't.
I think
we're not
that's the one
positive.
that fights off the germs.
And maybe it fights off the germs, but we're
Fights
not
off the
100%. This is the liver, and we know that the liver is located over here, kind of. And you've probably eaten liver before from an animal. So we're just gonna maybe say that maybe it helps you move, and maybe it gives you kind of fat. Maybe it gives you the fat, and it helps you move and stuff. Then we don't know how to pronounce this, but we think it's the diaphragm, and we think it has something to do with we don't know how to pronounce this either, the pharynx, but we think these two have something to do with each other, and so that's why we put them close to each other, and we think that maybe they help you run and move and stuff, and we're not positive. So,
and then we have the large intestine. That's the larynx. The larynx. We think that the diaphragm. We think that this overlaps the larynx.
And we think that this kind of gives you, it kind of helps you maybe breathe.
And these are the large and small intestines.
And we know that intestines are kind of long and wavy, about 30 inches, but we didn't know how to. And so we made one, we tried to make one bigger than the other, so the large intestine's kind of bigger, the small one's a little smaller.
We think that, I think that it maybe helps you digest your food.
It helps you
digest your food.
There's two different
the small
tubes.
Food goes in the small one.
Drink and food,
that's the lungs.
Oh, sorry. There's we think that they help you help you digest your food.
And then the kidneys.
We think that we think that the kidneys are on the sides, and we think that they help you breathe, and there may be just another one of those organs that we have in our bodies, but I'm not completely positive of what they do.
And then we have the trachea, something
I think.
We think like the trachea does like.
Yeah, we're not really positive, but
I think that like maybe like
it has something to do with the small.
it has something to do with the lower small. Maybe like
it helps. Maybe that's where it helps the food like come down, and that's maybe.
Yeah.
And then the stomach
is where like all the food goes.
We know that the stomach is kind of on the bottom, and we know that the stomach that's where all the food is stored, and then we know that we put it close to the bladder and the gallbladder because because when the food comes out, it comes out of the bladder and so we put that close to each other, and the bladder and the gallbladder help all the food come out. Like that's how when you go to the bathroom, that's how all the food from the stomach comes out of the bladder and the gallbladder.
And then of course we have skin.
And we know that skin is all over your body, so we put it in the blank spaces, so like skin, and on the feet. And I think that's it. Let's double check. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you'll study the organs because
and this was our pre-test of our Unit 1 Human Body Research Unit.
So we're not 100%. But thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.